mystery. Today we're gonna open my surprise toy. It's from my mom. She gave it to me. So let's open it. I'm so excited. What's in it? What's in it? Guys, wait, I'm gonna do one with this. Okay, my heart is beating. Oh, it's in there. Oh my gosh, guys! Oh my gosh! So let's open it. I'm so excited. Oh, nice. First, I'm so excited to open it. So guys, let's open it, the mystery egg. So I'm gonna open it, Mom, please. Open it, please. I'm so excited. So my mom is opening. My mom, say hi, Mommy. She's doing the egg. She's opening my egg. I hope you subscribe. So I'm gonna pull this up. Okay, guys, let's crack it. Wait, guys. Oh, it's a baby sheep. It's so cute. Oh, guys, we have an egg. There's a surprise too. Wow. I got a sheep. Ooh, what's in it? Let's open it. Just never mind. Later. Oh, so guys, I'm gonna open this egg. So what is the surprise? I already see it. Can't open it. So guys, I found out what is Mama's tribute. It's Cassidy. This is the one, but I like the one with the house kitty. So let's open these hearts. Oh, sunglasses. Nice. It got sunglasses. I like it. So now